Have you ever stared at your phone, frustration simmering, wondering how to reach a real person at your bank? You navigate endless menus, press buttons that don't seem to do anything, and that cheery automated voice just doesn't cut it. This internal monologue might sound familiar if you're a Capital One customer needing to speak with a representative. Fear not, fellow financial adventurer, because cracking the code of Capital One's customer service line is exactly what this video is here for. Before we dive in, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Why might you need to speak to a real person at your bank? Maybe you're facing a suspicious transaction and need to freeze your account. Perhaps you have a complex question about rewards programs or interest rates. Whatever your reason, sometimes an automated system just can't handle the nuance of a human situation. All right, on to the good stuff. Capital One offers a few ways to connect with a customer service representative. Depending on your preference and the urgency of your situation, there's an option that works for you. Method 1. Embrace the power of the phone. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need to hear a human voice. Capital One has a dedicated customer service line for both credit cards and general banking inquiries. For credit card customer service, dial 1-800-CAPITAL 1-800-227-4825. This line is available any day of the week from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside the U.S., you can call collect at 1-804-934-2001. Now, for general banking inquiries, including checking accounts and savings accounts, you will want to dial 1-877-383-4802. These friendly representatives are available from the same hours, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pro tip: be prepared with your account information when calling. This will help the representative locate your account quickly and streamline the process. Method 2. Let your fingers do the talking. If navigating an automated phone system isn't your cup of tea, there's another option. Capital One offers a handy online chat feature accessible through their mobile app and online banking platform. Here's how to find it. If you're using the mobile app, log in and navigate to the Help or Support section. The exact location may vary depending on your device and app version. On the web platform, log into your online banking and look for a Contact Us or Customer Service option. Once you've located the chat feature, you'll likely be prompted with a few questions to help route your inquiry to the appropriate representative. Be patient, as there may be a virtual waiting line depending on the time of day. Method 3. Introducing Eno, the chatty AI. Have you heard of Eno? This is Capital One's virtual assistant, available through the mobile app and online banking platform. While Eno can't handle every situation, it's a great option for simple inquiries and tasks like making payments, checking your balance, or reporting a lost or stolen card. Think of Eno as your friendly neighborhood financial bot, ready to answer basic questions and complete routine tasks 24/7. Remember, Eno is still under development, and its capabilities may change over time. Don't be afraid to try it out for common questions, but if your situation is complex, it's best to connect with a live representative. So, there you have it. No more feeling like you're lost in a maze of automated voices. With these methods at your disposal, you should be able to connect with a real person at Capital One whenever you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.